Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time frame or whichever time period you're seeing or watching this video. So we are in the Quotex platform, and I'll try to show you logic to win 3, 4 trades back to back. And the logic here is to make $1,000 a day. I'll be posting more videos once you understand this logic. So first of all, in Cotex you can select assets. So this is USD BRL. Random assets. You have to select the time frame which you want to trade in. I'll be trading in 1 minute time frame. So in 1 minute time frame, first of all, what you have to do is you have to add this. Uh, you have to add this. You know, add this. Uh, Add this chart, and in the chart you have to add something called fractals. So if you find it here in the indicators, you will find something called fractals. No changes, just the color part maybe for our understanding, and just the color part, and as it is, no changes in this. So fractals, more about fractals, you can just Google and find out. But fractals are known for support and reversal points, or resistance and reversal points. So if you see here, this is the resistance, this is the support, and from here the market has gone up. This is the resistance, and from here the markets have come down. Why I've kept fractals is because now I will show you why fractals very important to do the next thing that I'm doing. So the next thing that you have to do is you have to add something called the Fibonacci retracement. If you go to drawings in this tab, you'll find Fibonacci retracement. Just click it, and what you have to do is you have to mark the lowest resistance, the support, and the highest resistance over here. Okay, and since will be trading in the 1 minute time frame, you have to make sure that you draw it correctly. First, get your details ready, and then we can draw it properly. So okay, okay, this is about it. Okay, right, and then just change the color and just lock it over here. So now this is not going to be moving. So what I'm doing is I've just selected a random asset, and I'll try to see. And with the help of fractals, I have understood that there is a support over here, and there is the resistance over here where the market will come down from. So I'll just start my first trade with a random number, let's say 287. The idea is to make it 1,000 rupees. Okay. So if you see that these are the lines where the market has reacted and it's fallen down. This is a support where from here the market should go for a reversal. So we'll wait for this candle to finish, and from here we'll try to take an up trade. Right. Let's see, because this was the support. It's not yet touched the line. There are chances that this can break and try and touch this line. And if it further goes down, we'll take a down trade. But over here, I have hedged a trade stating that because there is a support over here, there was a support over here, and there's a further down support here. So my assumption is that the market is going to respect this support over here, and from here only the market would go up. And if you see, the market's gone up, this is touched over here, which is again becomes a resistance support. So this Fibonacci is a wonderful tool. Please Google it, you will understand more about the Fibonacci as well. And this is a tried and tested method to take trades in short term, long term, or for any kind of duration. Again, this is the resistance or the support line, so parallel line. So we have made about 545. Profit is about 200, 300 rupees. So from here we can see the market is trying to then again test this and come back and again retest this support, and in all probabilities this will break this support this time, because the market is already in a downtrend. From here the prices have gotten rejected, and if uh, this price over here gets held up by the sellers, in all fairness, you can see a downtrend, further downtrend coming up, because the market came down Buyers try to take it up from here, but again sellers have come in the market and they're trying to push the pricing down. So in all fairness, the next candle should also be a red candle. We will have to see and hold because now it's there is no confirmation as such. So either we will take a trade once this support breaks down. Right, it is coming down. So again, the sellers have come in. So we'll see that sellers will try to push the pricing further down. So our confirmation will only come once this support breaks, and this support breaks. So ideal case is that this is an area where again the market can take a support and give a bounce back. But it's trying to break a support. It's trying to retest it. It can take a support and again go bounce back. But if this support breaks, we will enter the trade. We'll just take a 1 minute trade. If this support breaks from here and the next candle opens below this support, it's already going down. So I'll take my chances and logically this trade should come down more further. Right. So I took the trade a tad earlier because the prices got went up a little bit. So this is again the case of timing. But as you can see, there is selling pressure now. So again, it is testing this support. If this has tested the support and given a bounce, and in all fairness, it will try to break this support as well. This support, if you can see, it will try to break the support, and it should again try and take this support over here. And further, if there is a breakdown rather, then the pricing will again go down. So what I've done is I've taken the second trade and I have okay, right. So again, this is a win. Let's change an asset. So I will not trade GBP USD. Okay, USD ARS seems to be a good asset, and okay, uh, it's not showing a very clear pattern. Let's see if there is some clear pattern in 5 minutes. So the market went down from here, it went up, and then again down, then up, then down, then up. So it is basically in 5 minute time frame. It's stuck in a range. And if I have to take a 5 minute trade, as I've shown you already a 1 minute trade. So let me see if I can find another asset in which USD INR, right? Okay. So let us try and see if I can get a good trade. But this time, since I'm drawing the retracement level in a 5 minute time frame, I will have to take the trade in a 5 minute time frame. Right? If you want to take the trade in a 1 minute time frame, draw it in a 1 minute time frame. So I've drawn my levels and I'm locking it. Okay, and I've got a win. So I'll uh, up my chances from 536. So I've gone to 536. So 537 should be a good trade. Okay, so that's 2 minutes more to go in this candle. What the candle is doing here is that it has taken a resistance and from top it is coming down, and there is a support over here. Right, if you see, these are the two supports, and fractals is that's why it's beauty because it helps you marking your support and resistance. So right according to me, what I am going to be doing is that if in this next 2 minutes time frame, if this support breaks down, I will take a 5 minute trade down. If the uh, if this pricing is going to be breaking in this next 1.5 minutes, I've already set my timer at 5. So if this breaks down, I will take a trade which is for 5 minutes with a downtrend, hoping that this support is going to break and the asset will take a further support here, which is down. So I've got a good gap from here. But there seems to be a pricing, price pushback by the buyers, which means this wick is denoting that there is a price pushback. Let's see what happens in the next 1 minute. And if my trade goes uh, down from here and the next candle open price is below this support and below this closing, mm, uh, then I will definitely go in for a short trade, right? So we'll just have to wait. Looks good. It's coming our way. And I'll like to reduce the time to 4 minute, whereas 4 minute tabs not available. I'll to do it a little manually. Yep, this looks good. So I'm adjusting my pricing to not to the entire extent of 5 minutes because at times it goes for a retracement as well, right? So I will just keep it to 420. Right, so it's breaking, it's broken, it's down. Let me just wait for the next candle to begin. The next candle is opened up. There's no confirmation as yet. Yep, now I pushed my trade down because there was this confirmation and I've taken a 4 minute 16 seconds trade. Uh, let's see if it comes my way. The pricing definitely opened down, opened here, so neck to neck. It made a low, and my trade came in here at the low. So not a good sign, but hoping that the selling pressure continues. And since the support is over here, let me just show you. Support is over here, uh, right? So I'm hoping my trade wins. Right. Let's see. We'll have to wait for the next 4 minutes to get to know what the trade belongs, because again, if this price comes here, there should be a pushback. Currently, the trade's not going in our way, but that's what the trade is all about. Even after all the logic you put in, it's the market. It surprises you always. But yep, let me see. There's still 3 minutes to go. It should ideally take a retest over here and come down, and there should be pushback now from that resistance. And if it breaks this resistance, then there's nothing I can do. I can probably hedge a little bit. And if I have to look at the 1 minute price points, there has in 1 minute time frame, there is multiple supports over here, and hence the reaction. And in 5 minute time frame, that's why I'm more comfortable in a 1 minute time frame, because it gives you a little more clearer picture. And of course, the money comes in fast. Okay. So right, 2 seconds, 2 minutes, and if this trade I have to win, then it has to start turning from this candle itself. Otherwise, this trade's going to be a loss, right? Good pushback. Let's see. Right. So let us look at it from a 5 minute perspective. Now you see that the pricing is trying to go down to this resistance level. Trade at the moment is winning, but then my timer is set for 43 seconds. I wish I could have set it for 5 minutes. But that's all right. I have done it knowingly because at times the wick kind of breaks the winning trend. 30 more seconds to go, and the pushback has been good. But let's see if the pressure holds up. The pressure should continue for the next 19 more seconds, 15 more seconds, and that should give us a win. Right. So 10 more seconds, and it should touch this resistance. And right, it's touched the resistance, should go back up now. And hence, I have taken a trade which has given me a win. Let's hold on. Oh, right. So it's breaking this resistance as well. Right. This is breaking the resistance point. This is broken these two resistance points. So now it is in full control of the bears, and I've made my $1,000, I guess, approx. Yeah, that's right. About close to about $1,000. Right. I'll be posting more videos, and this logic's very simple, very easy to execute. And the more you practice, the more you're going to be, gaining from this. So for now, thank you, and catch up soon. You can also follow me on my channel. You can also ping me on Telegram. Happy to help and happy to support. Thank you.